Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A7 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select personalization. Now mark custom and select picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can pick one from your local photos or one from the albums prepared here. Let me choose, for example, something from nature. Maybe this one. Then you can also switch lock screen the same way. Let me apply this one, and if you like it, just mark apply. Confirm that it's all okay, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is switched, it is changed. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.